So you guys, I have been keeping a secret for the last several months and I cannot believe I can finally tell you guys what it is. I have been developing products with Pixi Beauty. It's such a dream come true. I literally can't even believe those words are coming out of my mouth. I cannot believe my logo is on the packaging, my face is on the box, and these products are so beautiful and I cannot wait for you guys to actually try them out because they are really amazing, really gorgeous, and just make me feel amazing when I wear them. And I want you guys to feel the same way. So the collection that I put together are 2 glowy powders and then also an endless shade stick. And these are the tools that literally anyone can use of any skin tone, any skin type. And it's just so easy, quick, and beautiful to use. I was thinking, especially after becoming a mom, I just don't always have time to do an entire 10 billion step makeup routine. So I just want one specific thing that when I put it on, it makes me feel something extra. Like my makeup just feels a little bit extra special. I want to feel that every single day and I want it to be super easy. And so that's why I made these products. Let me go ahead and spare you the boring details. Let's just go ahead and get into it because I want to let you guys see how these actually are. First of all, can we give a little shout out to the packaging because these are so gorgeous. They literally have holographic on the front of these, plus my own logo in rose gold. It's so pretty. The first time I saw these in real life, I literally almost cried. I was so excited. So I have 2 colors. One of them is called Fetch, the peachy one, and then one of them is called Wednesdays, because you guys know on Wednesdays we wear pink. Okay, let's pull these out so I can let you guys see exactly what they look like. Okay, let's start off with the pink one. This one's called Wednesdays. It's a super beautifully finely milled soft powder and has a really beautiful reflective glow. I'm actually wearing it on this side of my cheeks today. And the cool thing about this is conceptually I wanted something that was somewhere between a highlighter and a blush, something that would give my cheeks a lot of glow and life. But if I didn't have time, I could literally just use this one product and it would look so beautiful. This color looks good on every single skin tone, every single skin type. And if you just wear this alone like I did on my cheeks today, it reads as a blush and it reads with that highlight, but I only had to use one product. You know, I'm all about products that make it look like you put in a lot more effort even if you just did one thing, because man, that saves me a lot of time. And there's something about it that just has that X factor and makes me feel really extra beautiful. So this is the pink effect right here. That's Wednesdays. And then Fetch is a peachy golden tone. It also has a really slight beautiful shift to it, reflecting that golden light. And that's what I have on this side. So this gives like almost like a slightly bronzy tone. It's just a little more peachy, a little warmer feel. I think the pink will work all year round. The peach is a little bit more spring and summer, but they're both incredibly beautiful. And like I said, you can just use that one product on your cheeks and it looks like you did the whole shebang, the whole bronzing, blush, highlight, but it's just the one product. And when it hits the light, it glows and makes your skin look so healthy. And that's exactly what I want to see when I look in the mirror, especially after this whole crazy cold and flu season that you know just hit me so hard. When I put this on my cheeks, I don't even feel that way. I just feel like I can breathe in a little life and everything's okay. And then moving on to the next product in the collection. This is an endless shade stick. So it's an eyeshadow pencil that literally once it's set, it just lasts all day. But the particular coppery shade, I matched it to one of my very favorite eyeshadows. I can literally just put this one product on my eyes and it looks so gorgeous and looks like I put in a lot of effort into my eye makeup, but it's just the one product. Literally, you can just put this on your eyelids. It's so quick and easy. I take my fingertip and I just blend out the edge. That's it. Once it's set, it just stays on there. You don't have to worry about it. Especially great if you're monolidded or have oilier eyelids, because this product, it doesn't seep into your creases. Once it's set, it is waterproof. It's sort of like a softer eyeliner pencil, but it just has such a creamy, easy texture, and the color is just so beautiful. Again, it is the only thing I am wearing on my eyes today. I didn't have to use a crazy 15-step eyeshadow routine. It's just the one product, smudged it with my fingers, so I didn't have to use any brushes. It's so gorgeous and so easy to wear. So here it is right here. Again, it has my logo on the front of it. So excited to see that. So this has just the prettiest satin, slightly metallic sheen to it. So it is more multi-dimensional when it's on your eyes. Same as the powders for the cheeks, because it has a little bit of that shine to it. It looks like you put in a lot more effort into your eyeshadow than maybe you actually did, but it doesn't matter because you look amazing. And even if it took 1 minute to put on, that's what we want, right? We want something that's just quick and easy and beautiful and will take your look to the next level without spending a lot of time on it. So as you can see, it's a really true medium copper tone, not too dark, not too light, but I still wanted it to be deep enough that if I use it, especially under my eyes, and sort of do a halo effect to my eyeshadow, that it'll give that slightly daytime smoky bronzy look. But it's also light enough that if you're shy about doing a lot of eyeshadow, it's something that you can put on your eyelids every single day. This is not like a strictly date night kind of look. It's something that's quick and easy that you can just do every single day during the daytime, but it can also transition to a more evening kind of look depending on how much you apply. It's just the only thing you need. It's one and done. So those are the products. These are my babies. I can't believe I'm seeing them for real in real life. It just feels like a dream, and I just want to say thank you guys so much, because it's because you guys believed in me that I'm able to work with companies like this. It's not anything within my own power. It's because of you. Getting emotional. I just don't even have the vocabulary really to put into words how having this in my hands, having this in real life, having this opportunity makes me feel. So thank you guys. All right, so these products are going to be available on pixibeauty.com on June 11th. And then here is the most amazing thing. Wednesdays and One and Done are also going to be available at Target, literally Target, like in the store, your local Target, at the end of June. So you'll be able to pick these up locally, right by your house, everywhere in the entire United States. That just blows my mind. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack when I see these in real life, like in the store. Like, is this real life? Is this really happening? Oh my goodness. Anyway, all three are going to be available very soon, and I am just going to have my little heart explode when you guys get to try these in real life, because I guarantee you, when you put this on, you're gonna understand what I mean about having it make you feel like $1,000,000. To see that actually in real life after all of this development, all of the product trials and testing, I'm just speechless. It's everything that I would have wanted, obviously, because I came out with the product ideas. I just put so much love into these, and I really hope that when you wear it, you'll feel that love too. I'm so excited for these, and I cannot wait for you guys to have them in your own hands. If you guys want to make sure you're alerted for when these are out, you can always sign up for emails at pixibeauty.com. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all the social media, because I will totally let you guys know when you can run to the website, run to your local Target, and pick these up. I love you guys so much. You are my sun and stars and moon, the butter to my muffins, and you are my army pants and flip-flops. I love you guys so much. Thank you always for being so supportive and amazing. Y'all are my squad. Y'all are my village. You are the reason I've gotten through so many ups and downs and trials and tribulations, not just as a human being, but as a mom, as a creator, as part of this community. I just want to say thank you so much. So I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.